Hey everyone, I just wanted to kind of like bounce some more ideas on what I've kind of been trying to get gathered together. So obviously, like I've been working on the QGIS system and trying to get this table data to transfer over. And so from here, you have like this big massive table to which you can what was it, pull and turn into a different data chart. And then from here, I have this kind of line of code. And so what this is doing essentially, this is like the main crux of the code, is that it takes in that elevation data, so like these really big giant data points, and then converts it into a smaller set of nodes. And so right now I have it set from 0 to 12 because I've just been trying to go for the chromatic scale right now, but eventually I plan on adding some sort of way to turn it into like a different kind of scale. And so at least for right now, I've been using this Python library called Scamp, which if any of you guys are super interested in like coding for Midi specifically, to try and use Python to code other audio devices and other instruments, this is a really powerful little library that I've stumbled upon during my research. And so right now I have this set up to take this data, and so it takes that interpolation, converts it into just a basic integer, and then from there you can kind of add whatever. So right now it's just in, it's just going to be playing the C major chromatic, or however that is, and yeah, however that's called. Then it puts that into this baseline, which is just the droney Python, just a droney part of it. And so this will then send through to Loop Midi, which is another program that's really nice. It just takes in MIDI data and then sends MIDI data. And so I have that set into Ableton currently. And so from this table data, converts everything into here. And so if I hit play on here, hopefully I won't blast everyone's ears out with this. I'm going to turn that down really quick. All right, my Ableton stopped working for a second, but so currently what this will do is it will take this set of notes, convert it into whatever kind of scale. Right now it's the chromatic, obviously, like I was saying prior. And from there, I essentially just run it through that code. It press play, runs through that loop MIDI, and then it will hopefully play some notes. There we go. And so currently, you can kind of see that string of data running through. Just running right now. I don't have it doing anything. It's very rudimentary currently, but I figured if anyone wanted to bounce some ideas on what we can kind of use this for to make that drone. And so there's quite a bit of stuff that we can add into the rest of this value, and from there it can control pretty much any MIDI device. And so I'm hoping some people with a little bit more ability to like shape sounds and stuff like that. I really like doing that, but I can admit that it's not my strongest suit currently. But as it stands right now, I feel like this would be something kind of fun. And to me, this is the strictest elevation plot range that we can actually use to kind of make this the best idea possible, at least so far. So yeah, let me know what you guys think currently, and kind of bounce some ideas off of me, see what we can do with it. And yeah, I'll appreciate you guys' input.